Welcome to this quick guide on how to enable sharing of stories you're mentioned in on Instagram. If you ever want to keep track of mentions or stay in the loop when someone tags you in a story, this setting makes it easy. Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. This feature lives inside the app, so we'll start there. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. You'll land on your personal grid with your bio and posts. From your profile, look to the top right corner and tap the menu. It's the three horizontal lines that open a deeper set of options and settings for your account. Scroll down a little until you see the sharing section. It's usually labeled something like sharing or sharing to be seen by others, depending on updates to the app. In the sharing area, you'll find the option for stories they are mentioned in. This is the feature that controls whether you get notified about stories where someone has mentioned you. Tap that option to access its toggle. Now, turn on the toggle for stories they're mentioned in. When this is enabled, Instagram will surface stories that mention you so you can view them more quickly and stay connected with your mentions. If you ever decide you don't want this anymore, you can come back here and switch it off just as easily. That's all there is to it. A couple of taps and you're set to stay on top of mentions and stories without missing a thing. This setting can be especially handy for creators, collaborators, or anyone who wants to engage with mentions in real time.